and what benefits Emmett benefits Jim County, and what benefits Jim County benefits Emmett.
These kind of jobs are incredibly important to Idaho, incredibly important to Emmett, and they're incredibly important to America.
The mill began construction in 2002, but stalled because of a poor lumber market and funding challenges. The Recovery Act dollars made it possible for Emerald Forest Products to complete the project.
And they came in and looked at what we'd done and looked at the whole situation, and through the Forest Service they came up with $4 million of stimulus money.
The new sawmill facility will create 47 jobs on site, with additional jobs created through the logging and trucking industries. Currently, 44 people are working at the mill site. The dry kiln and the planer will begin operations by the end of June 2010.
We'll be able to do a variety of products. We'll do 2x4 and 2x6 stud lengths. We'll also do pine boards, 1-inch boards, and we'll do 1x4, 1x6.
Emerald Forest Products already has an agreement with the National Hardware and Lumber Chain Store to provide lumber for the 8 to 12 foot board market, helping ensure the long-term viability of the operations. Emerald Forest Products is investigating the possibility of installing an on-site biomass cogeneration facility to create heat and power, fueled by slash to cover mill operations. Excess power would be sold to Idaho Power.
But our goal is to bring the slash out of the woods from under the logs to come to this mill and grind it and bring it in here and burn it in a controlled environment and make renewable energy with it.
The passage of the Recovery Act clearly has helped create jobs in Emmett, Idaho.